Hello, welcome to the TechBits YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the book titled R Bioinformatics Cookbook by PAC-T. As we can see here, it is named as indicated, R Bioinformatics Cookbook. It is a second edition. The publishing company is PAC-T, and the author is Dan McLean. Great book, by the way. Has a lot of variety of wealth information that I think everybody's going to be excited to move on and start talking about. That said, let's start right away. It's divided in 13 chapters and has a lot of code. Code that you can download and find in the GitHub location here. And you can download it, play with it, go hands-on and side by side with the book itself. That itself is very useful. As we mentioned, we have 13 chapters. Each one of these chapters has specific topics, and high level, we're not going to go into great details with them, but this should give you a great idea. I'm not a bioinformatician, but that's the target group, putting it that way. It's for those who want to work with R or work with R, interested in data, and are bioinformaticians themselves. It is a really good resource, as mentioned before. And let's talk about the chapters. Chapter 1 will help you set up your environment in a fast and efficient way. Chapter 2 will load and prepare your data in a tabular data for complex pipelines. Then Chapter 3 talks about extensions with your ggplot and how to take care of those items themselves. Chapter 4 talks about Quarter and how to really work with presentations, visualizations, and create your reports in a much easy fashion to do. Take care. Chapter 5 is targeting how to get the most out of your bioinformatics with R's statistical model framework. Chapter 6 is going to be looking at your RNA sequences there, how you can use R packages to take care of those, HR, dsequence2, and sleuth. Then in Chapter 7, you start looking into bioconductor packages to work with high throughput genome sequencing data. Chapter 8, you start moving into functional sequencing features with predictive tools and databases. 9 is about phylogenetic analysis and visualization. Chapter 10 talks about inferring biological properties of gene sets from annotations with those genes. And the last 3 chapters really get very interesting because Chapter 11 is looking at machine learning with the MLR3 package, how to develop efficient and useful pipelines with machine learning and powerful and flexible MLR3 package. Chapter 12, functional programming with Per and Base R. And the last one is really, really interesting, is how to integrate ChatGPT with R. Overall, as mentioned before, this is a great book, great resource. Feel free to leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments. I would like to hear more about those, since I really enjoyed this book itself. And went through it in great detail and played with the code. I recommend do the same. Let us know your thoughts and comments. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.